If you're a beginner who wants to build a big muscular back, then this may be a helpful video for you. We're going to look at the best 10 back exercises for muscle growth, and hopefully you'll find here the ideal exercises for your own back workouts. Number 1. Cable row. A very good exercise that actually trains all back muscles, and fortunately, it's a machine that you can find at any gym. Back straight, chest forward, and chin up is the correct posture. And very important, not only for this exercise, but for all of them. With the right posture, you prevent injuries and you let the muscles do the work instead of your joints. Number 2. Deadlift. Some see this as a leg exercise, and others as a back exercise. Both are okay because it's a big compound exercise that trains both the back and upper legs. As a beginner, it's wise to focus on mastering posture and technique first because incorrect deadlifting can quickly hurt your lower back. Number 3. Wide grip lat pull down. With this exercise, you train the lats. So if you want to have a great V taper, it's good to use this exercise regularly. You bring the bar down to chin height, squeeze the back muscles nice and firmly, and then the weight can be returned to the starting position. In terms of grip, it's good to have your hands just a little wider than your elbows. Number 4. Dumbbell shrugs. With shrugs, the movement always remains the same regardless of the material. So barbell shrugs or the machine version are just as good. With this exercise, you train the upper back muscles, also known as traps. Some beginners make the mistake by trying to lift the weight up with their arms, but the arms are only there to hold the weight. The upper back muscles are supposed to do all the lifting. Number 5. T-bar row. This exercise involves all your back muscles. It's the same movement as the first exercise in this list, and therefore perfect alternatives for each other. Back exercises with the rowing movement are very good for the thickness in the back. Many people who train at home get a wider back thanks to pull-ups, but in most cases, they have a very flat back because they don't use the row exercise. Number 6. Barbell bent over row. The third row exercise in this list, and this one is for more fullness on the lower half of the back. As you can see, you bend over and keep the back straight. The weight remains above the ground during the exercise. And with each repetition, you bring the bar towards you until it lightly touches your lower abs. By the way, you don't have to add all the row exercises to your workout. You can choose 2 great ones and fill the rest of your workouts with other exercises. Number 7. Close grip lat pull down. Same machine as exercise number 3, but with a different grip. Now the grip is positioned closer, and therefore the back muscles will be hit from a different angle. As you can see, you keep a strong posture. You bring the handle down to chin height and squeeze the back muscles. This exercise is an alternative to chin-ups. The variant with the wide grip is the alternative to pull-ups. Number 8. One-arm dumbbell row. If you like to train with dumbbells, then you will definitely give this one a try. With this exercise, you train each side separately. You place the knee and hand of the resting side on the bench so that you have stability, and lift the dumbbell up towards your obliques so that you can squeeze the back. Normally counting is not important, but if you train each side separately, it's better to count, because you want them to work just as hard so that they develop evenly. Number 9. Back extension machine. With this exercise, you strengthen the lower back muscles. It's a great exercise for at the end of your workout. The lower back is involved in most exercises, so it's not a bad idea to build more strength in the lower back using this exercise. By the way, it's a super safe machine, so you can use this exercise even if you are recovering from a back injury. Number 10. Pull-ups. This exercise is used not only in the gym, but also a lot at home. It's a good exercise to widen the back. Many beginners who have not yet built up enough muscle mass or are still overweight will have difficulty completing this exercise with sufficient repetitions. For them, it's better to choose the wide grip lat pull down and add pull-ups later when they are ready for it. Well, these were the 10 best back exercises for muscle mass. Check on the videos below to see the 10 best exercises of other muscle groups, and I'll see you there.